So let us continue with question number 16. Numerical question number 16. So by now your journal preparation is over. I had asked you to prepare the ledger accounts. Yes. And this first entry, cash account debtor, business started with cash and goods. You can write it as stock account. Okay. Why? Because as it is the beginning, you are starting a business with goods. So you can use the term stock account, not purchase. Only when it is in the case of purchases or later on whatever transaction comes regarding the goods, you will use purchase account only. But this is the first transaction. So there it is not purchase. You are using goods of yours, your own goods. So it is stock account. That is the only correction I want to make. Okay. So start posting now. The process of writing journal entries into the ledger, that is called posting. Posting, okay? The term posting. So we will post. We will start posting the entries into ledger. So have you prepared the accounts? Everything over? Now coming to the first transaction, you have cash account is there, stock account, then capital account. So the first transaction, cash account debtor. Okay, listen to me. Cash account debtor. This means that cash account is debited. Okay, cash account is debited. Where is cash account? This is cash account. Cash account is debited. So come to the debit side of cash. Debit side of cash. On the debit side of the cash, what do we write? To capital. To capital. And see, draw the ledger properly, okay? Draw it in this way. Cash account, date, particulars, JF, amount. Date, particulars, JF, amount. This is the way you will write your exams, not the T accounts. So see, the dates, I have written the date, 2017, November 1, it is capital. You can add the word to capital. To capital. And it is not required to repeat to capital, to sales, to dish. Instead, you can just write a single to on top and just put a comma and write the others one by one down. Okay, so that was the first one. Cash account debtor to sales. Coming to stock account. What is stock account done? Yes? Okay, what is stock account done? Stock account debit. So what do you say? Stock account is debited. Debited. So come to the stock account. Stock account. This is stock account. Come to the stock account. Debited. So on the debit side, we write to capital. To capital. I'll show you the proper stock account. Look at the stock account on top. The first account, stock account. See? Stock account, date is written, number 1, to capital. 50,000. Amount is 50,000. There is nothing else to be written in stock account. Have you found any other transactions relating to stock account? No. There is nothing regarding stock account. Stock Stock account. Okay. So balance it. How do you balance? Write 50,000, 50,000 on both the sides. 50,000, 50,000 total, you'll write it both the sides. You can see on the credit side, there is nothing. So you can take the value as 0. There is nothing. That means it is 0, no? Okay. So when you balance, what you get? 0 minus 50,000 or 50,000 minus 0. It is 50,000 only. What you need to do? We are bringing both debit column, debit amount column and credit amount column equal. Okay? We are bringing it equal. So here the value is 0 and in order to make it 50,000, we should have 50,000 here. Okay, no? So what is that? It is the balancing figure. Balancing figure. And what do you write there? Balance carried down. CD. Balance CD. Okay? Are you all clear with ledger accounts now? Now come to the capital account. Capital account. Cash account. Debtor. Stock account. Debtor to capital account. This was our journal entry. To capital account. That means to capital. Capital account is credited. Capital account is credited. So in the capital account, we come to the credit side and write buy cash. Buy stock, buy cash, stock. So balance it now. Here also, you don't have any amount on the debit side. It is 0 over there. Okay. Okay. So balancing is okay now. You will find 0. You can write it as 0. No need to write. It is 0. It is understood it is 0. So 2 lakh minus 0 is 2 lakhs. So the balancing figure 2 lakh. So there you can write balance carried down. So look at the date now. What is the date given? It is always on the last day of that month we do the balancing. Okay. So November 30th. All the accounts you will find November 30th. Why? It is on the last day of a month that we do the balancing. Why? Because in that month end, in that particular month, what is the capital available? What is the status of cash? That is what we are finding out. So by just looking at the balancing figure, we understand, oh, the liability is 2 lakhs. Okay. Okay, so that entry is over. Now do the next one. Purchase account debtor to Harish. Purchase account debtor to Harish. So purchase account is debited. Purchase account is debited. That means on the debit side, left hand side of purchase account, we will write to Harish. To Harish. to Harish. And in Harish account, what is Harish account done? Harish account is credited. So in the coming to Harish account, you will write buy purchases on credit side. Look at my purchase account, everyone. Just see. Just a second. Last account, purchase account. There is only one purchase account. Have you found any other transaction relating to purchase? No, there is nothing. So purchase account, what is the entry? Purchase account debtor. Purchase account debtor to Harish. Purchase account debtor to Harish. So purchase account is debited. Debited. That means this is the purchase account and purchase account is debited. Debited means we have written the amount on the debit side. Debited. What? We will debit it with to Harish. To Harish. Balance it. There is nothing else there. Purchase account. So you can balance it. Cash account debtor to sales. Please post the entries. Cash account debtor to sales. Anybody having doubt? Please ask me, okay? Clear your doubts now and then. Cash account debtor to sales. Cash account is debited. Cash account is debited. That means on the debit side, number 5, cash account debtor to sales. So to sales. You will write it on the debit side of cash account. Okay. Coming to sales account. Sales account. Sales account is credited. Sales account is credited. That means in the sales account, on the credit side, you will write buy cash. Have you written? Okay, moving to the next entry. What is that? Furniture account debtor to cash. Anish, can you explain furniture account debtor to cash?
Ma'am, furniture is debited. So on furniture account to cash.
Furniture account. Okay. Furniture account, where to write?
On the debit side.
On the debit side. What will you write?
To cash.
Very good. Very good. Perfect. So the ledger is clear now. To cash. Very good. And coming to cash account, what is done to the cash account? Aman, Abdul Aman? Yes, Aman? Akshay, can you tell me? Furniture account debtor to cash.
Debit cash.
Wait. Furniture account debtor to cash. So what is cash done? Cash account is?
Cash account is debit.
Furniture account debtor to cash. Okay. So what is done to the cash account? Where do you find cash account? It is on the credit. Furniture account debtor to cash means cash is given credit. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means cash account is credited. How do you say? Cash account is credited. That means in the cash account, we will write buy furniture on the credit side. Why? Because cash account is credited. So in the cash account, in the cash ledger account, you will write the amount on the credit side. Okay? So Akshay itself, tell me Harish account debtor to cash, what to do? Explain that now.
Harish, in Harish account, credit cash.
What is done to Harish account? Is it debited or credited? Harish account debtor to cash. So what is done to Harish account? Yes, Harish account debtor. That means Harish account is debited. Learn these words. Harish account is debited. Harish account debtor. That is the way you find, no? So where is Akshay went?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Harish account debtor. That means Harish account is debited. So come to the debit side of Harish account and we will write to cash. So tell me about cash account now. What is done to cash account? Cash account is? What is the word you use?
Credited by.
Very good. Yes, right. Cash account is credited. Credited by how? How is it credited? It is credited by Harish. Very good. Perfect. Sundry expenses to cash. Vishnu, please try. Sundry expense account debtor to cash.
Ma'am, which account, Nidish?
Number 13. Sundry expense account debtor to cash. So we have opened an account for sundry expense and we already have a cash account. Okay. So tell me, what is done to sundry expense account? Sundry
Cash account.
Okay, no, you tell me in sentence. What is done to sundry expense account debtor? I mean, sundry expense account. What are we doing there? Sundry expense account is debited or credited?
Credited.
No. Sundry expense account debtor. Don't you find the word debtor over there? We give debit, no? Did you see? What is the entry?
Yes, ma'am.
Debited. DR. DR means debited. Debtor. We read the journal entry as sundry expense account debtor to cash. That is the way we read it. Okay. And this means that, what is the meaning? Sundry expense account is debited. That is the word we will use. Debited. Debited means in the sundry expense account, ledger account, we will write on the debit side. Where is the debit side? Left hand side. On the left hand side, debit side, we will write to cash. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me about cash account. What is done to cash account? Cash account is debited or credited?
Debited.
Hmm? Sundry expense account debtor to cash. So what is done to cash?
Credited.
Cash account is credited. That means on the credit side of cash account in the ledger, we will write by sundry expense account. Okay? Alan, are you there? Alan Verghese, tell me. Alan. Akshay, tell me the next one. Cash account debtor to sales, number 15.
Nidesh to sales account.
No.
So-
Number 15. Cash account debtor to sales.
So in sales account, credit cash account.
Sales account is credited. So on the credit side, what do you write?
Cash account.
By cash. Okay? By cash. Okay, you're right. Then what is done to cash account?
Debit to sales account.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Debited. Cash account is debited to sales. Okay. Rahul, tell me about bank account debtor to cash. Number 18. Number 18. See, you find easily, you are turning the page, you got the bank account, you're going to check the bank account. See, this is the benefit of preparing ledger accounts. Okay. Yeah, tell me.
In bank account to cash account
Bank account debtor to cash. So bank account, what is it being done?
to cash
What is it, debited or credited?
debit
Debited. Yeah. Bank account is debited. So on the debit side, we write
cash account
to cash. Okay. And what is done to cash account?
credit side by bank
On the credit side. That means cash account is credited. Okay. By bank. Alan, try the next one. Alan Verghese. Switch on the audio and tell me drawings account debtor to cash. Drawings account debtor to cash. Okay. Drawings account. What do you do to the drawings account? Is it debited or credited? Give me in the chat box. Give your answer in the chat box. Is it debited or credited? No, Alan, I cannot hear you, but give me the answer in the chat box. I have asked you a question. Drawings account debtor to cash. You will find two accounts, drawings accounts and cash account. So what is done to drawings account? That is my question. Drawings account, whether it is debited or credited. Alan? Alan Thomas, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about drawings account debtor to cash.
Ma'am, in drawings account, the cash is debited.
Very good. Okay, cash is debited. So
Uh,
on the debit side, we write
to cash account.
to cash account. Perfect. Okay. Coming to cash account. What is done to cash account?
Ma'am, drawings are credited.
Very good. Wonderful. Okay. By drawings. Harish account debtor to cash to discount received. So coming to Harish account, I'll show you the Harish account. Harish account. Harish account debit to cash to discount received. So you can find two amounts, two accounts credited. I'm not Harish account debited. Sorry, Harish account debtor to cash to discount received. So two amounts are debited in Harish account. So on the Harish account debit side, we write to cash 14,700 as well as to discount received. Check your Harish account. So this is how we prepare the cash account. Please check your cash account, whether you have posted everything correctly. Check the balancing. Calculate both the amounts, debit amount and credit amount. You will calculate the totals. First of all, you will write it as a rough figure somewhere near. Then you understand that the debit side total is greater, 1,83,000. So that we will write it on both the sides, credit, debit as well as credit side. Now subtract the credit amount credit side total from the grand total. Credit side total, how much did you get the total amount? All the accounts, you will balance it similarly. Every account should be balanced. And near the balancing figure, you will write balance carried down. Check your answers. Stock account, cartage account, there are only one figures are there. Rent account, salaries account. If you want me to show you any of the accounts, please tell me. I'll take that slide.